Okay guys, let me show you how fast, simple and easy it is to make sure that you are always grounded and connected to the earth, no matter where you are. The only thing you will need is the electrical socket. But make sure that the electrical socket has the ground connection, which are the gold points right there, okay? And when you make your order on TrustGaia.com, make sure that you tell us where you're living, because all of the adapters are different. As you can see here, it's not connected to the electricity itself. This is made by plastic. But as you can see here, the metallic space here, that is connected to the earth. Alright? In the previous video, I showed you how to do it from the van or wherever you are with the grounding rod into the earth. But now we are in an apartment which has grounding connection. So the only thing you need to make sure is that you have plugged in the cable in one end up here to the grounding sheet, which you will put in one of the sides, doesn't matter which one, and on the other end you will connect it to the grounding tester, which is this one. I don't know if you have seen the last video I made where you can test the grounding sheet with the multimeter. This is almost the same, but this tester is made for this, and you can also get the tester on TrustGaia.com. Plug in the cables, turn on the tester, put your finger on the metallic plate, and in the moment you touch the grounding sheet, you are connected to the earth. It's as simple as that. But you can see, no matter what I touch, I'm not grounded until I touch the grounding sheet. So this is how it is, so easy. Now you can see I put on my normal sheet. You don't have to lay directly on the grounding sheet. So you can plug in the tester again, turn it on, touch the metal plate, touch the sheet. Now you're connected and grounded to the earth. Enjoy.